In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that allows you to organize your thoughts, tasks, and projects in one place. Whether you're a student managing notes, a professional planning projects, or simply someone who loves staying organized, mastering Notion can transform how you manage and visualize your information. One of the basic yet essential techniques you can use to keep your workspace tidy and easy to navigate is indenting. Indenting helps create a visual hierarchy in your notes, making it easier to distinguish between main points and subpoints. It's particularly useful for nested lists or when you want to structure information logically. First, let's start by adding a block. In Notion, everything is built around blocks, which can be anything from a simple text paragraph to an image or even a database. For our example today, let's keep it simple. Begin by adding a block, which could be a paragraph or a bulleted list. To do this, click on the space where you'd like to insert your block. If you're adding a paragraph, just start typing your text. If you'd prefer a bulleted list, simply type a dash or press the shortcut for bullet lists. Once your block is created, you're ready to go to the next step. Now that you have your block set up, it's time to indent it. Indenting creates a nested item beneath another, perfect for outlining ideas or tasks that are subordinate to a main point. To indent your block, place your cursor at the very beginning of the block you just created. Make sure not to highlight the text, but rather click at the start where the block begins. Next, press the Tab key on your keyboard. Instantly, you'll notice the block shifting to the right, signaling its movement one level deeper in your document hierarchy. It's now a nested item under the item you previously had, which visually organizes your information better. This simple action instantly changes how your content is structured, introducing clarity and organization. When working with lists, you can see clearly which tasks or notes are sub-items of others, aiding in both comprehension and management of information. If you decide later on that you need to return the block to its original place, you can easily reverse this action. Just click at the beginning of the indented block again and press Shift plus Tab. This will move your block back to its original level. Mastering these basics of indenting in Notion will enhance your productivity, helping you to organize detailed projects or outlines with ease. Experiment with indenting different blocks to see how it can best serve your workflow. Remember, organizing your digital space is just as important as organizing your physical one, and indenting is a key technique to help you maintain clarity and order. Happy organizing, and see you in the next